then just a tip, these bread bags you can get from Walmart. Come like this. They come with twist ties, but I do not use the twist ties. But these are great for lightweight. Well, it would have to be a pretty lightweight sweater, but short sleeves, small pants, just anything that you can fold up with clothing. I find that these are very, very helpful and much more affordable than actual like sealed bags that you can get on Amazon or Uline or any of that. These are much cheaper. I've been using them for years. Here is an example. This is a sleeveless size large, women's large shirt. And I just folded it up and put it in here and taped it. If you wanted to get thank you stickers that you could seal to close this. And there's that. If you are selling clothes, poly mailers is your best friend. At first I used to send everything through priority flat rate boxes, but so much more expensive. You just slip it in there and seal it up. I do put some tape over it, but these are great. I will have anything that I mentioned linked down below in the description box. Overkill, I probably don't need to put this tape on there, but I do just makes me feel better. Over to my scale, put this on there, and always round up. So that's 5.5 ounces. So I will enter it in as 6 ounces. You want to make sure you get the correct measurement of your package and enter that into. You don't really need this when you start off, but if you end up selling much, you need to get a label printer like this. So this is Zebra LP2844. I got this off eBay actually, and it's a thermal printer. It takes labels like this. Here's how it looks in there. And the great thing about these, I'm just covering the shipping info, but the great thing about these is you just peel it off and then you stick it right on, just like a sticker, onto your package.